Hello dear friend, in today's Kdenlive tutorial, we will learn how to use speech to text features, speech recognition features, creating automatic subtitles into Kdenlive, and we can translate any language into any other languages. If you use Kdenlive, don't forget to use premium feature dear friend, speech to text. Using speech to text features, speech recognition feature, you can edit your video very faster, and it's possible in only one free open source video editing software, that is a Kdenlive dear friend. In today's tutorial we will see all the settings, how to use these features, etc, and you can go to our playlist to configure all the dependencies for speech to text, speech recognitions, and creating subtitling, etc. We have complete guide on our playlist how to use, how to download all the dependencies. If you want to use speech to text features, speech recognition features, creating automatic subtitling, you have to download all the dependencies, auxiliary softwares. I have made already the complete tutorial about this, how to use, especially if you have Windows 11 or 10 PC, then it's a very complicated to download these auxiliary software dependencies for speech recognition feature. Go to playlist and see, follow all the process, it will be easy, and then come to this tutorial how to use this speech to text features, speech recognition, and creating subtitling feature dear friend. In today's tutorial we will see all the guides, all the parameters, etc. For this premium features, you will have to pay to Adobe Premiere Pro monthly subscription, or Filmora, or CapCut, or other video editing software. You have to pay money, but here in Kdenlive this is totally free dear friend. And recently background removal features has been added. SAM2 plugin has been added in Kdenlive. It means you can remove the background of your video, you see background, and you can use other image in your background, make very professional video editing inside Kdenlive. All parts are very important, don't miss any part of this video. This is the master class and bonus class for you dear friend. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Without wasting time, let's jump into our PC, into Kdenlive here. Okay, we have entered Kdenlive here, and you can see this, we have so neat and clean interface here. If you want to use speech editor, subtitle generating features here, you can see speed editor we have, but for this you have to come here. When you download, if you have default Kdenlive, it may not be visible to you. Just come to view, file, edit, view here. In view here you can see here all the extra features are available here, and here we have a speech editor. We can anytime unclick. If we unclick, nothing is visible here. But if we want a speech editors here, just come here to click speed editor. Now we have this speed editor here, and this is the subtitles generation here. In the same way you can unclick. Now we have no subtitle, so we come to view again we can click, and subtitle window will appear here. So we have this subtitle window, and we have a speech editor, and this is our project view. We can directly drag to Kdenlive. We have several tutorial how to export, how to import file, etc. Come to our folder here. In OBS we have this Kdenlive tutorial clip here. We just drag to project bin. This is the project bin where we can directly drag, and you can switch clip to your default. I have 4K video, 30 fps. We just click here. We have here this window, preview window, and we can anytime customize this. You can decrease, increase length, etc. We can decrease the make window bigger for our good view. Okay, project here, clip, and we just drag to directly to our timeline. You see here we have timeline, just we drag here. Okay, now we have timeline here, and we come to speech editor here. You see we have a speech editor. Come here, we have a speech recognition. You have to download the module. I have already made tutorial how to download the speech recognition and subtitle generating dependencies for Kdenlive. In the next episode I will download to YouTube, so follow my channel and you will successfully install all the dependencies, Pythons, and other open AI, whisper AI models, etc. for Kdenlive. And now we come here. You can see here for generating subtitle. You see here, point here, here,
You have to just drag here, just make it bigger, like you see, for our timeline, because we want to create subtitle and generate speech recognition to edit and make subtitle etc here. And everything is okay. Now come here, you see here, edit subtitle tool. Here audio mixer, we have audio mixer, we don't need it now. We just click here, we have already subtitles track here. This is subtitle track and this is our normal track, you see here. And we can extend and compress this, you see, extend and make it smaller. Okay, minimize, maximize our track here, you see, minimize our track and anytime we can maximize. Okay, it's a better way. So now we come here to generate our subtitle. Here you can see speech recognition, just click here, it will recognize your speech. And we have turbo model, I have already downloaded. And here you can see I want full project here, generate speech to text for all tracks. You can select your timeline. If you have timeline zone, I want to select all full, and you can anytime select this timeline zone selected. You can also, it will work, but I take this full project. Okay, and we just click here process. Now you see here we are pro speech starting speech recognition. It will take some time and very fast it will generate. Okay, you can see very fast we have generated subtitle. Hello, dear friend. If this class is useful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Nowadays, I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube. But you can make it possible just by liking, subscribing, writing a comment, and even you can share this channel to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may be very useful to them. I am very much tired nowadays, very much demotivated. Motivate me, dear friend. Without wasting time, let's jump into the other settings of Kdenlive's feature here. Subtitle imported. Okay, close. And now you can see we have subtitle here. Hello, dear friend. There is a major update for Kdenlive. Now Kdenlive 25.0.4.1 is available for downloading, dear friend. So you see, it's so accurate. And now we can customize a subtitle. For customizing, we come to track. Always select this track now. And here you see the subtitles window we have. Anytime you can click and click from here. It has disappeared and I want to click this. Just okay. Now we have selected here and you have to apply to track every time. If you want to apply to single track, and you can apply any color, change the color, font, etc. to single sentence here. Only this part. But I want to apply to all this track here. Everywhere I want to apply, we just come here and now we come here to change the font etc. So you can see here we have bold, italic, underline. Okay, I want bold. Okay, we have bold font here. Now we come here to change the color etc. For changing color, you see font, you can change the position, in point, duration, you can add. Okay, but very important thing is to change the style here. We can style it. Once you click, so we have already here, we can customize our text subtitles here. And now we come here to add bold. Okay, now we have bold here. And text color, we want to text something. Okay, here like this color. Okay, I like this color. Okay, and from here you can change the font etc. Here you can see any font you can take, and I put it on default only. And now I want to take a secondary. This is the main color and red color is a secondary. You can choose any color from here or from here you can choose. Okay, and now we want to add outline, so we can add point here. You see outline 3 points, it will be okay. Now everything is okay. Background, if you want to add background default, box as outline, box as shadow, you can take. Okay, box as shadow we can take here. You can add rotation, left, right, margin, you can scale etc. Here you can add alignment, button, top, which type you want to put your text. For example, top right, it will be on the top right here. Top left, it will be on the top left. Bottom left, bottom right. Okay, you try all these one by one. Everything is okay. Now we just click okay. Now you can see here we have so beautifully generated here. 25.04.0 was released, but there were some problems when we used SAM. So good, it's so good, dear friend. It's so free and premium software, open source. You can do a lots of things. That's why we must donate to Kdenlive, dear friend. Anytime you can come and change the style here. You can manage your style. If you have your style on computer, you can just take from here. You can create new style. We don't need this, and we can change here. We can anytime change outline here. We can take the color, outline color. We can take this outline color, okay, yellow outline color, and we can make font bigger. And shadow color we can take anytime, change something. We take this color, okay. And now try. So you can see now we have customized plugin for object segmentations. There was too much consumption. It's a good that you see it's also adding comma, full stop, everything. And after generating subtitles, if you want to correct the sentence, just click here. Here you can correct. So I have no mistake here. You can see it's so accurate of a memory, dear friends. This problem has been fixed. If you want to correct sentence here, just click here. Now we can correct anything. But I don't find any mistake here, so I will not correct. Okay. 5.0.4 here. So let's go for. So in this way, you can customize everything, and you can make your own customized subtitle etc in Kdenlive so easily. Now come here to transcribe. This is speech editor, and we can transcribe, and we can edit video on the basis of text, because text editing is a very intuitive, and your workflow will be very fast after this class. So we come here, transcribe. Now we are transcribing, starting speech recognition. So it should be recognized. All the sentences will be available here. Just wait. Or it has detected my language English here. You can see speech recognition finished. So fast we have generated speech recognition, and whatever I have spoken, it has been already displayed here with time code etc. I can reach anywhere where I have spoken. I have spoken this sentence here, and I can reach, for example, where I have spoken this problem. We just click problem. So you see here, no play problems. Now you see where we have spoken released. Released, but there were. So you can see segmentations. Anywhere you can several problems. If you have mistake and you want to delete, and you can reach there and delete. For example, I want to delete this fixed. Now we have selected, and here you see delete. It will be delete selection, and it will be deleted fixed in this. So you can delete from here. So you can see here we have create a new sequence with edit. So we can create new sequence. We can select here anything, we can select here, you can see. And now we can create a new sequence with text edit, okay, which we can track other, we can choose track, and okay. So we have just a created sequence here, you can see here sequence. So you, this way you can try, dear friend. I just return here, okay. I just want to show you how you can do such a fantastic things in Kdenlive. It's a good that if you want to mark anywhere in sentence directly through speed editor, because otherwise you will have to listen the whole video. For example, I want to mark here problems, where we have problems here, you see. I want to add marker so that I could add some text etc. We have selected this problem, and now we come here to marker. This is actually marker, you see here, add marker. So we add marker, it will mark. So I have this problem, what is here, I can add when I will start editing. Problems which have. So you see we have problem here. Problems which. So it's a good that you can do a lots of things using this text recognition features, subtitle creating feature. So you see we have marked here, and there is one good features that I want to just select some part of the video whole. I don't want to take whole video cut. So for example, I want this part here. You see from here to here, only this part of the video. We just select this part. First we take this our timeline here. I want to put here. So we have selected this part, and now we come here plus icon here and just extend this. And now you see insert selection in timeline. You see. So we have inserted here only this sentence here. Now we can use for editing for our various purposes we can use it. Problem has been fixed. There are also several problems which have been fixed in this update, dear friend. Without these features, you would have to listen all the video, then cut the video, then copy and drag here and paste here. So you see, it's so easy. So you can do a lots of things using this same. We have added marker here, okay, and here you see save edited text in a playlist file. So we have edited this text here, and we can save here in file here. For example, save edited file here. You can name, you can mention your folder here, any folder, F drive, E drive, anywhere if you want, and just open and save, rename, and it will be saved. Okay, it's a so good features. And after that, create a new sequence with this. Create new sequence with edit. You can add new sequence with edit. You can increase font here from here. Font, you can decrease font here. Here remove non-speech zones. You can remove non-speech zone from here directly. We meet in the next class with some other new episode of Kdenlive. Take care. Bye.